Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with a Daily Duppy. Daily Duppy. Squeeks. Daily Duppy. That's what you say name? Squeeks? Daily Duppy. Squeeks. Pick up your fucking self, man, G. Pick up your fucking self. Fucking self, dog. We're gonna jump into that one here. First, listen to Squeeks. So, we're gonna jump into that one here and see Wagwan. So, let's go. Let's go, my G. Ready.
Free me.
Shit. Who these niggas think they know me, man? This shit's crazy, man. Listen, I used to sell drugs for a living, pack a snub for the villains.
This is gonna be deep. It's gonna be like a real shit. Hope it doesn't come with no drill thing when I can't understand, but this is gonna be nice. By the way, Squeeks, your jacket bad. Like your jacket.
Listen,
but
I used to sell drugs for a living, pack a snub for the villains. I went guilty for the grub. I got niggas in the pub. I was sitting in the cell. They had me stepping off the bus. I got that third off. I was thinking it's a plus.
Basically, he might tell you what he used to do. All of the bad things that we can think of, Squeaks used to do it. Him go to prison for it. You see me? Him plead guilty for the him do the whole thing and more. So, let's go.
Fuck them 12 jurors, I was smirking at the judge. All these informers, why they running to the govs?
The editor are fucking nasty. Editors, you guys are disgusting. What is this? Why wanna put him there? We know it's a rat. We know him a rat. Ratatouille. We know him a ratatouille, but you never have to do that. We're too wicked.
Got the pack by the crutch, my mash getting plugged. Got the peas in the bank, my cash on the up. I'm a ginger bread man, stack dough, get bands on that stover. Use my left hand.
I'm frying.
Bread man, stack dough, get bands on that stover. Use my left hand. And don't talk like this boy ain't been a clapper. I'm the reason why you back up, got back up. I'm climbing up the ladder.
The man say, yo, I'm the reason why your backup got back up. So, if you know why I say this, so even your backup where you send for try a thing of a backup. Even the backup where you send for try a thing of a backup. So that's deep. Like Squeeks.
Didn't find Christ. I still got my drillers on the south side. I still scream free my niggas doing 30 wrecks. Man, they got it hard like 30 sets. I'm running through the peas, yeah, I'm burning checks. Swag dripping, got all these bitches turning heads. It's fake news if I told you that I weren't the best. It's fake news if I told you that I weren't the press.
It's fake news if I told you that I wasn't the best. So if I tell you that it would have been a lie. Also, it's fake news if I tell you that I wasn't the press. He's not lying to himself, so he's not gonna lie to you guys. That's what the boss says. Squeaks, pick up your fucking self.
I had a load of stress, and that was tenfold. My name rings like it's 10 phones. My beats bang like the Escos. I seen bags, no Tesco's. Big chains, yeah, my neck glows. And when I'm fresh home, now they wanna watch me. My white bitch, she a cockney.
Hold on. Is he fresh home now? Has he been in prison for all this time? And because I first met hear about him. Like, was he in prison before all of this now?
My black bitch, she a yardie. My Muslim thing, she's
Big up the Jamaican them.
My white bitch, she a cockney. My black bitch, she a yardie. My Muslim thing, she Somali. Like, I be floating in Manny with Okari. Like, always got something German on my car key. Always got something burning in my ashtray.
Always have certain German for my car key. This is what the boss I tell you. German for them car key. German, either the Audi, the BMW or the Mercs. German in push, nothing else.
My eyes red, but they covered by the black shades.
Shit.
I deadlift grub, now my back aches. And that's a whole load of weight tea. Stepping on the whole load of flake tea. All because I'm getting it straight tea. All because I pull it on the digits, nice saying 26.80.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
It's straight T, all because I pull it on the digits, now it's saying 26.8 T.
26.8. That's not an ounce, brother. So you shot the man them. I don't know. I just ask. Cause me know say alright. Officer, leave it.
Just another nigga tryna do me. Click, this ain't a movie. Is that your bitch? Yeah, she blew me. That bitch got that breast and that booty. That judge put that 10 on my back like I'm Rooney.
Is that your bitch? She blew me. The judge put 10 years on him back like Rooney. We and Rooney number 10. Footballer, number 10 striker. The judge put 10 years on him back like Rooney. 10 years in prison.
They say I fell off. I was on my wing eating gel off. I'm coming out well off. Big whack, no cap, take your head off. I box niggas, no Kellogg's. The amount of times that I was on my wing eating gel off. I'm coming out well off. Big whack, no cap, take your head off. I box niggas, no Kellogg's.
Yo, fucking hell. Squeeks, big up yourself, dog. You can't stop big up, bro.
The amount of times that I let off. The amount of times that Squeeks did a booting. You whip sped off, you ain't head off your camp. My bread in the bank, I swerve on the up. I burn down your block. You ain't never been to war. You ain't slept on the floor. You ain't crept in the drum. You ain't never been spun. You ain't never did a booting. Broad day in the sun. You can't do what I've done. I'm the shit, I'm the runs. I got Cali in my lungs. I'm never at my mum's. Jail days.
I'm never at my mom's. I'm never at my mom's, so you can't catch me there. So don't think so because I'm doing all this shit on the road. I'm gonna be chilling out at my mother's house. No, not there. I'm not bringing no arms house to my mom's house. Get it? Not bringing no arms house to my mom's house. Never. I'm never there. So you can't catch me sleeping.
I took days as they come. Free my niggas. I feel I had to pay the price. I gambled with the shit. I had to roll the dice.
This is fucking fire. I love this. This is fire. I love this, dog. Fresh from prison. One more song and forward. Drop a next one. Quick and fast. Jacket bad though. Jacket sick. This is from the soul. This is from the heart, bro.
I'm planning for the future, I'm a visionary. I sell bones in the cemetery. I got ice, got cream, got Ben and Jerry. Sins on my back, hella heavy. When you gonna fold, never wary. Dip it.
Yo, this to me, I one of the baddest daily up in my ear. This to me, this is my opinion. Don't fight it. I one of the baddest daily up in my ear, dog. No fucking joke.
Nigga quick like hot chips and peri peri in the cemetery. I got ice, got cream, got Ben and Jerry. Sins on my back, hella heavy. When you gonna fold, never wary. Dip a nigga quick like hot chips and peri peri.
Dip him quick, hot chips. And peri peri. Dip him quick. Buckler Squeeks. Him tough. Hard.
I got a vision that was 2020. Man, I never had faith in you fools. Don't thank me, I'll paint your face on the wall. I'm so Banksy. Jail time doing tours, I was sat in the trap. The way my nitty scores, he gets man of the match. Get a couple extra peps with a...
That part not gonna just happen like me never hear it. Me hear it, but more I hear him say again.
Thank me, I'll paint your face on the wall. I'm so Banksy. Jail time doing tours, I was sat in the trap. The way my nitty scores, he gets man of the match.
The wing on it is scores, you got man of the match. You said nitty them on the wing. Oh gosh, that brother you're different. He's in a class.
Get a couple extra peps with a pat on the back. I know it's fucking with his head, he's got a piss in the bag. I'm putting rappers to bed, it's gone.
Fuck with him, him have a piss in that bag. So basically him fuck up in blood clot. Them have a piss in one bag. What them call the bag? I forgot what them call the bag. You know me attack. Yeah, put the rappers to bed. Yo, big up editors them, you know. Big up the fucking editors them, you know. The editors them just bring the lyrics to life, dog. The editors then bring the lyrics to life. The lyrics ain't bad, but the editor then bring it to life, though.
On past 12, you sold a cup of the Zeds, you ain't no cartel. Yeah, I'm making brown drinks, no Martell. Name's been ringing, it's been setting off alarm bells. I fix a nigga up quick till he say allow me. A bad boy, call me Mike Lowry. I will bring the Smith, you a write-off. Let me at the what?
Wordplay. Like, watch your wordplay. Look how smart this is.
Boy, call me Mike Lowry.
Bad boy, Mike Love it. Will Smith character in a bad boy.
Fix a nigga up quick till he say allow me. A bad boy, call me Mike Lowry. I will bring the Smith, you a write-off.
I will bring the Smith to you and work. Smith and Weston, the man talking now. I will bring the Smith to you.
Me. A bad boy, call me Mike Lowry. I will bring the Smith, you.
I will bring the Smith. The Smith and Weston, the man a chat, brother.
Right off. Let me at the what? We the Suicide Squad. I just did a 5, I can't do a night off. I put that red beam on your head, you a Cyclops. They want me inbox, but they tryna sign off. I got niggas looking up, they ain't taking eye drops. Squeaks. I can't make this up. Counting money, you weak, give me paper cut.
No, fucking no. Fast as fuck, boy. Fast as fuck, boy. Bad as fuck, boy. Bad as fuck, boy.
Did a 5, I can't do a night off. I put that red beam on your head, you a Cyclops. They want me inbox, but they tryna sign off. I got niggas looking up, they ain't taking eye drops.
Like,
I can't make this up. Counting money, you weak, give me paper cut. All these bitches on me, I don't pay to fuck. She want a chocolate, I gave her the hazelnut.
She want it. So him give her the ears or not? Him give her the ears or not? The ears or not she want. The ears and the chocolate she want. The ears or not she get.
All these bitches on me, I don't pay to fuck. She want a chocolate, I gave her the hazelnut. She calling me a mister, can't blowing at her back. Had her thinking that it's Insta, the way I double tap.
Double tap. Like, oh fuck's sake, dog.
Put booze in her mouth, then I'm giving her the sack. She goes over the head, the way she give me hat.
Oh my god, this guy is in a class by himself, bro.
Put booze in her mouth, then I'm giving her the sack. She goes over the head, the way she give me hat. Makeup on my T and jeans. Baby, slow down, these are DMGs. I rate my Aki brothers cause they be on Dean. I'm getting dirty money off these 3-on-3s. I'm a beast, but my wife a beauty. I was in the street, you was watching Line of Duty. How you hating on the Squeeks? You never knew me. Long clip, I could write a movie.
Fucking fire, dog. This is fucking, oh my god. This is one of the baddest one in the ear. This is one of the baddest one in the ear. Squeeks, pick up yourself. The first man listen to your song, bro. This is one of the baddest daily Duppy in my ear. Guys, thank you guys for keep supporting me. Thank you guys for keep being here. Even though I pause a lot sometime and I do see it in the comment section. You pause it too much. If you don't like it, leave, bro. I break down shit. I try not to pause as much here, but I happen to. If what the artist said bad, maybe I go pause it. I'm gonna pause it. So that's it. But dog, Squeaks, pick up your blood clot, self, dog. You're different, brother. You're a different breed. As a child started to say, oh my god, it's a different breed. It's a different breed, Squeaks. It's a different breed. Yo, bad you fuck. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end that one here. So that if you enjoy that one here, please leave a like down below. The full daily Duppy is gonna be in the description also. So big up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.